Hey there, I'm Mark Cook, a foundation repair specialist with Dalinghaus Construction. Today I'm going to answer some of the most common questions we get from homeowners. So let's jump right in.
Hi, Mark. I've been looking into foundation repair companies. What makes Dalinghaus Construction stand out from the rest?
Great question. Honestly, it comes down to experience, technology, and how we treat our customers. We've got highly trained crews, we use advanced systems, and we make sure every job is done right the first time. At the end of the day, your satisfaction is what matters most to us.
That's reassuring. But how do I know you have a solid track record? Have you done many of these repairs?
Absolutely. Just in 2026 alone, we've already completed hundreds of foundation repairs. This is what we do every day, and our crews are seasoned professionals who take pride in their work.
What about all the paperwork and permits? That part always stresses me out. Do I have to handle that myself?
Nope, not at all. We take care of everything in-house. Permits, engineering, all of it. Our team manages the entire process from start to finish, so you don't have to stress about it.
How long does a typical foundation repair take? I'm worried about major disruption to my home.
Most projects are done in about 1 to 3 days. We work efficiently, we keep things clean, and we do everything we can to minimize disruption to your daily routine.
Does the repair come with any kind of warranty? I want to make sure I'm protected long-term.
Yes, we do, and it's a big one. We offer a lifetime transferable warranty. So if you ever sell your home, that warranty goes with it. It's a huge benefit and something buyers really value.
What does the inspection process look like? I'm not even sure if I need a repair yet.
Absolutely. One of our expert inspectors will come out, take a look at your home, and give you an honest assessment. No pressure, no obligation, just clear answers.
This sounds expensive. Do you offer any financing options to help with the cost?
We've got options for that too. We offer flexible financing plans to fit different budgets. Our goal is to make sure you can get the work done without putting yourself in a tough financial spot.
What areas do you serve? I want to make sure you cover my region.
We cover California, Arizona, and Nevada. If you're not sure if you're in our service area, just give us a call or check out our website. We'll let you know right away. And remember, never settle.